Personal hygiene rules, common mistakes. We have collected the most common mistakes for you. 1. Too often take a shower already become a habit. At times equally harmful. Experts at Columbia University claim that because of this, the skin becomes tight. All bacteria can enter the body. To avoid this. 2. We sleep for a long time on one pillow. Down pillows, a paradise for dust mites or mold. They can cause problems like dermatosis. This is another common cause of skin problems. The study says that dust mites can cause allergies, which cause nasal congestion, swelling and irritation of the upper respiratory tract. 3. We are my face with soap. We think we are twice a day. In fact, we buy pores and provoke acne. Dermatologists emphasize that we were not originally intended for the face. In doing so, you destroy the protective barrier and violate the pH level of your skin. 4. We let our pets sleep with us. It turned out that even at night we must follow the rules of hygiene. We do not recommend allowing cats and dogs to sleep. Even bacteria. You can even cause bubonic plague. No, this is not about the Middle Ages, but about modernity. Statistics say that between 1977 and 1998, 23 cases were reported. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.